Good morning. Today we read comparison of rational numbers. How we comprise them? If the number is 3/5 and 2/7. We take LCM of both, or if you not want to take LCM, then we multiply by cross 3/5. Other denominator is 7, so we multiply by 7 up and down, and 2/7. Other denominator is 5, so we multiply by 5 up and down both. Then we multiply 3 7 21 upon 5 7 35, then 5 2 10 upon 7 5 35. We can easily decide whose are greater or whose are smaller. 21/35 is greater than 10/35, so we give this sign, then that is over. If you want a smaller number, that also we can do by this same method. 10/35 is a smaller number than 21/35. So this so that 21/35 is greater and 10/35 is smaller. By this method we do these all questions. If there is 3/5 and -2/7 or -3/5, then process is same. -3/5, other denominator is 7, that is multiply by up and down by 7. Other fraction is 2/7, multiply by 5 up and down. 7 3s are 21/35, and other fraction 10/35. Minus number. When minus number is increasing, that value is lesser than. That number is less than, and positive numbers, when increasing, their value is also increasing. There is opposition between both fraction, minus fraction, negative fraction and positive fraction, that is same. So -21/35, that is smaller than +10, so we do here this sign. That is way of solving to whose rational number is greater and whose rational number is smaller. By this we can find easily. If there is any number r minus and other is plus, then minus number is also lesser than positive numbers. We can do another question also. arrange in ascending order. Minus 10 by 15, 1 by 2, minus 12 by 10. First we find LCM of 15 to 10. LCM of 15 to 10 equals to 30. We can find LCM also. 15 to 10, we take the number which divides this, we take by 2. 15 is not divided, so 15, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. We take by 5, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 1s are 5. Means 2 into 5 into 3, LCM is also 30. That is LCM of 15 to 10 equals to 30. Then 30 divided by 15, we find 2. Then 10 by 15 multiply by 2 up and down. Next 1 by 2, 30 divided by 2, 15. Then up and divided, up and down multiply by 15. Next minus 12 by 10. 30 divided by 10. 10 3 is 13. So up and down multiply by 3. Here is minus 20 by 30, 15 by 30, 36 by 30. All denominators are same. So we can find easily whose number is greater or smaller. Smaller number is minus 36 upon 30. Then also minus 20 upon 30. Next number, greater number is 15 upon 30. This can easily cut minus 12 by 10 minus 10 by 15, 1 by 2. These are number in ascending order. Ascending order means series to increasing. Minus 12 by 10, smallest number, then also minus 10 upon 15, that is smaller, and 1 by 2 is greatest. That numbers are in ascending order. When we doing to descending order, we do all by this. If we want to solve, to arrange in descending order, then also we do this all. But at last, we write greater number in first, 1 by 2, then minus 10 by 15, then also minus 12 by 10. These answers, these fractions are in descending order. That is descending order and these are ascending order. That is both. So, this chapter exercise 2.3 in homework. Do all in copy, and if you have any problem, then you will call and talk about this. You have whose problems. You can share your problem with me and know next whose you want. That is okay.